Now go to the Google. Let's go for Google, and our client is materialad.in. The client, it is one of the building and construction materials website, and click on the building and construction website. Directly we will log in into the materialad.in website, and let's open the Photoshop application also. Yes, this is called banners. Okay, this is called the banners, and select the banners and check the banners. Means this is the only one of the constructional site. This is sanitary accessories. Means sanitary accessories completely the sanitary including the image. This one. And what is the accessories we are integrating in here? The images we are showing on here. Means we are indicating the banner which is related to the image. Okay. And here this is one more banner and this is one more banner. This is completely the lighting banner. Like this we have to create the banners. For one banner where you designing in any client location, the banner cost will be minimum 500 to 800 rupees per one banner. ఒక బ్యానర్ డిజైన్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి 500 నుంచి 800 రూపాయలు వచ్చింది ఒక బ్యానర్. ఏం లేదు, ఇమేజ్ మీద టెక్స్ట్ పెట్టడమే. బట్ అది ఎంత ఇన్నోవేటివ్ గా పెట్టాలనేది మన ఇష్టం. We have to create like this the text in an image with a creativity and innovativity. Okay, if you design like one banner, we charge minimum 500 to 800 rupees per one banner. And if you see these banners, see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means which is related to the image, the content will be there and the website will be there and the logo will be there. Like this. And here also some banners will be there. This is completely the fans, the lights, switches. Now what the client asked to me, I need a size of 570 by 570. The text will be the building and materials. The building and materials already we have here. Already we have the building and material. Okay. Again he asked the size. He resized the sizes for building and materials, electricals, plumbing, bathroom fittings, carpentry, hardware, and paints and tiles. But what we are giving in 570 by 570 pixels, it show all the bricks, blocks, cement, coarse aggregates and stones, ready mixer concrete, mortar, sand, TMT steel. Means we have to show all the things in one image. Otherwise that related image, any single image. If you take this all the things and keep into one file, that is okay. Or otherwise you just take the image this one and keep it into there. Is it okay? Fine. Means we have to show all the things. See here we have this commandos and we have this handles and we have some pipes fittings, tiles here, and this is the bathroom fitting, the taps, everything we are showing in this image. That is related to the client thing. Okay, and go to the Photoshop, and what is the size? 570 into 570 pixels. Why we are taking 570 into 570 pixels? Why we are taking the pixels? First of all, that is completely the web related. Web, if you see any internet, means completely on the web series, it is completely based on pixels. There is no inches, there is no millimeters, there is no centimeters. If you design anything for web purpose, that indicates in pixels only. 570 by 570 is that is the client requirement size. Okay, client requirement size will be 570 by 570. Okay, let's go for the, this one is the size. Let's go for building and materials. How many buildings and materials we have seen? And go to the Google. So building and materials is nothing but I am showing only single image. If is there any images, check it once. Maybe we can show the construction images also. Then let's create the boxes. I need to create all the images. I taken the duplication concepts. This is one design. Okay. How we create this one now? Select all the things, keep it into the center alignment. Like this I kept here. Control Shift S, save as desktop, and the size is 570 into 571. Okay. Now what is the concept here? Building and materials. In building and materials, what we have? Bricks, blocks, cement, coarse aggregate, stones, ready mix, sand, TMT steel. Let me try. Building and construction slow. First of all, bricks. Is there any bricks? We'll keep all the things. Don't worry. Bricks. Click at the bricks. We have a bricks. Click it and take view image. Or maybe take this one and drag and drop into the tab bar. This is the tab bar. Don't place it here and keep it on the tab bar. And take this image and keep it the image in here and place into the bricks concept, keeping on here. We got the bricks. Is there any file? Again save, Control S. Bricks is completed now. And what the concept on here again? Blocks. Okay. Then the name is blocks, AAC blocks. Like this, the blocks will be there.
What is the name?
Huh? That is the name of the blocks. If you type blocks, then it's coming kids blocks. That's why I just
Aerated concrete.
AAC blocks. Take the AAC blocks here like this. Take this one and go to the image, view image, drag and drop. I got blocks, bricks, fine. And what we have again? Cement. This is the task assignment. You have to do the remaining part. Okay. I will do one part and you have to design remaining part. Like I'll do bricks and combinations. Building and materials, you have to do electricals, plumbing, bathroom fittings, carpentry, hardware, paints and tiles. Take one thing. You take electricals, one take plumbing, one take bathroom tiles and fittings, one take carpentry, one take hardware and fittings. Everything you have to do it. Okay. I'll see tomorrow. Actually, these are the new designs. Let me take the old designs also. Net is not coming, no? I'll take images from the designs only. Bricks has been completed, blocks has been completed. Now what I'm doing? Okay, building flight street. Yes. Select this aggregates image and go to the here and place it into there. Place it into the layer and keep it here. What happened? What I done? Raj, Vikram, what I have done? ఏం చేశాను కనిపిస్తుందా? ఏం చేశాను? ట్రిమ్ చేస్తూ ఫిట్ చేశాను. ఒక ఇమేజ్ తీసుకున్నాను. దిస్ ఇస్ ద png file. Okay, that's why I kept here, and this is completely the large file, means complete the image file. Okay, the image is completely, I have to fit into this box document. That's why I select this one and control transform. Okay, transform చేశాను. But it's not a transform. లోపల it is masking. What mask I have done? Clipping mask. నీ మేల్కొనే ఉన్నావు. Good. Clipping mask. I have done with clipping mask. Okay, what is the shortcut of clipping mask?
Alt.
Control Alt G, not Shift. To create a clipping mask and to releasing the clipping mask. ఆ బాక్స్ లో ఫిట్ అయిపోద్ది. ఓకే గైస్, ఓకే మాస్కింగ్ చెప్పాను ఆల్రెడీ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇది. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాల, పుస్తకాలు తిరగేయండి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే అయిపోయిందా? కోడ్స్ అగ్రిగేట్ అంటే నెట్ రావట్లేదు, అందుకే ఇక్కడ నుంచే తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే, బ్రిక్స్, బ్లాక్స్ అండ్ స్టీల్ ఉంది కదా, సీదా నెట్ రావట్లేదు. You have building and materials, TMT steel is there, no? TMT steel, and go to here. This is a TMT steel only, no? Select this one. TMT steel, okay. TMT steel, bricks, Coarse and aggregates, come on. What we have again?
Concrete.
Concrete. అది ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? Stones, ready mix, concrete mortars. Ready mix concrete mortar.
Limit.
Select this one, Control Alt G, create living mask. Keep it into the white layer. Sorry. And again the construction image. This is also concrete mixer. Okay. Again, this one is balanced, no? Take cement panel. And make it as a background. Black, or select this one and make it some little bit small like this. And take some construction image, coarse aggregates and cement and sand. We didn't done the sand, no? Sand. And go to the cement, sand, TMT steel, and you can use this cement bar also, or otherwise this is the construction field, no? We have to keep this construction field in one place. Cement we kept, no? Here the cement is there, no? Yeah. Double click and have the concept, drop shadow. Right click, copy layer style and paste layer style. paste layer style, paste layer style. You're seeing కనిపిస్తుందా? Right click paste layer style. Control is save, Control Alt Shift is save for web and devices, save for web and devices. Why means we have to decrease the file size. This is not for printing, this is for completely web కి ఇవ్వాలి అంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? We have to decrease the file size. When you save this one into direct save here JPG like this means it takes increasing the size. That's why Control Shift is save as desktop JPG. It takes the size increasing actually. Save it. Okay, and what is the size we got here? 286 KB, but I need 13 KB or 10 KB or 15 KB or 20 KB like that. We have to decrease the size. When we decreasing the image size, automatic the website loading will be very, it increase very speed. That's why the client people ask they ask us to decrease the file size and give to the developer. Like that they will ask us. Then what we have to do? We have to go for save for web and devices. Save for web and devices and the shortcut is Control Alt Shift S. Decrease the size, and what is the file size? Let you see here.
137.9.
137.9. Then give the 40%. How much? Huh? Save it now. Desktop. Oh, it is replacing, no? Then go to 1+1. Now check it the both. This is 286 KB. Okay, this is 50 KB. Any quality done? The both quality is same, but while saving in Control Shift S in direct JPG, it takes so much of KB. Like the size will be increased. The size is okay. 570 pixels is same. See, what is the size? 570 to 570. It is for 286 KB. What is this? This is called 40 KB. Means what is the difference between we can't reduce the size. The size is the same, but the KB, the file size is decreasing. When we file size is decreasing for the web purpose, that is main important for the concept. Okay, we have to decrease the web. It is this one. This one is JPG format, PSD format. Why? ఎందుకు వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ విచిత్రంగా ఉందనా? అవి పికాసో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశాను. పికాసో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తే మనకి ఆ వ్యూవర్, పికాసో వ్యూవర్ మనకు అలా ఉండిద్ది. ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ చూసుకోవచ్చు. పికాసో వ్యూవర్ PSD ఫైల్ కూడా డైరెక్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చెక్ చేసుకునే థింగ్ ఒక పికాసో ఉంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద పికాసో. డైరెక్ట్లీ we can open the file PSD also. Photoshop file also we can open. Okay, this is the thing. చూడడానికి ఆడ్ గా ఉందా, నీట్ గా ఉందా? అంటే వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సిన అన్ని వచ్చాయా? What they need, all the things it came into a single image first thing, and it looks very properly. It's looking good. Okay, what the client asked me, I just given the file, output file completely. This is the concept what we have to do the client location. This is called banner. These are the banners. Okay, already we done some banners. If you check it once, blocks which acts as real materials for your building blocks, and I showed as a block one block. This one is 100 mm, 150 mm, 200 mm, 230 mm. 4 inch, 6 inch, 8 inch, 9 inch. And see our material logo stamping here, 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 here. Here, if you see here, see material ad. How it came?
Okay.
Okay, but it is in slantly. How? Distort concept. Good. Cement. Cement plus bricks. Right, called as material and steel, which will forever safeguard. Strong. Like if you see something like some ads, Radha TMT steel. The Bahubali will give the ad for the Rana.
Mm.
If you see in the images, he is one of the ambassadors. Means why they kept Rana? Rana is nothing but more than stronger in Bahubali. That's why the TMC steel is also more than stronger. Like that, we have to show something. The client will ask some little bit more for our creativity. See, the elephant. Elephant is more stronger than metal and steel. This is the concept. You have to give that type of innovative concept. You have to take in your third eye. The eye visibility will move. We have to create it. Okay. All the switches. These are the designs what we have given past 10 days before only. 10 days before I given these designs. These are the layers. One layer I kept here. Okay. Confidence lies at our doorstep. Quality steel serves your next step.
Shadow light.
ఇవే రిఫ్లెక్షన్స్ తీసుకొని ఇచ్చేయచ్చు బ్యాక్ సైడ్ జస్ట్ ఐమ్ జస్ట్ టేకింగ్ దిస్ వన్ కంట్రోల్ టీ రైట్ ఫ్లిప్ వర్టికల్ opacity and take the soft edge అరెస్ట్ చేసుకుంటే మనకు ఆ రిఫ్లెక్షన్స్ అనేవి కింద మ్యాచ్ అవుతుంటాయి అండ్ 30 40 దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఎ ప్రాపర్ వే యాక్చువల్లీ అవి ఫ్లాట్ గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా కిందకి దిగాయి ఇది ఎట్లా ఉన్నాయంటే మనకు అంత ఫ్లాట్ గా లేవు ఇవి సపోజ్ హౌ కెన్ ఐ షో యూ దిస్ వన్ ఐ కెన్ టేక్ దిస్ వన్ డోంట్ వరీ like this. It is a flat now. Images పెట్టుకునే దాన్ని బట్టి మనం అట్లా రిఫ్లెక్షన్ we can create the reflection to flip vertical and as well as we have to reduce the opacity. Any doubts? You have to create these all the things. When can expert for everybody do one design. It came good. Client directly this file. But this was the size is 40 KB. Delete this one, it's two files, and make it this one. Open the file format. Control Alt Shift S. Save for web devices. How much KB we have? 50. And Q 35. Not issue. Desktop. Nice. All the things we showed here. All the things came. bricks came, aggregates came, steel came, concrete came, mortar, ready mix mortar came, sand came,
RMC, cement.
everything it came. Means the client will understand very easily what we are giving to users. Users are customers. Okay, like this we have to do the designs. Tomorrow when you are coming to here, I'll see every design like. Who will take one that is nothing for us. Just take anybody. I don't want anything. Go to the electricals. Check with switches, accessories and cables. Don't go for inner. Only switches and accessories. Switches. Only cables and wires. Only modular plates. Only gang box. Only home automation. Only LED lights and bulbs. Keep this all the things into one image. Means 570 pixels into 570 pixels. Keep it and do the design some differently and take and come. Take one guy, electricals, plumbing one guy, bathroom fittings, carpentry. I'll show tomorrow all the designs. If you don't take the don't do and come the designs, I'll don't take the class. Literally, I'm saying. Okay, that means this is the project while I'm giving you. This project should be do you only. You do the project, your designs will be uploaded like this. See, these are all the designs what I have done.